Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the InShot editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the InShot editing app on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the create option from which you can start creating your project or work on any of your old ones. Now, if you wish to change the language for the application interface, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, you will now see the language option. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now show you the list of various different languages that are available for the app. Just tap on whichever language you prefer to use, and this will now apply your chosen language right away. And you can now continue to use this language for your application. And anytime you wish to change it once again, you can go back to the same language menu to change your language in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the InShot editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.